I've always been drawn to the whispers of the past. When I stumbled upon a book about a forgotten village called Pur, I knew I had to see it for myself. As I arrived, the beauty of the hills wrapped around me, but so did an uneasy silence. The villagers watched me with wary eyes, as if I were a ghost from their history. I learned of a mysterious palace nearby, a relic of a bygone era filled with secrets. They warned me of a curse that claimed the lives of those who dared to explore its depths. But curiosity has a way of pushing you forward, doesn't it? When I finally found the hidden door within those crumbling walls, I felt the weight of centuries on my shoulders. There, an ancient diary awaited, its pages filled with tales of glory and tragedy. I couldn't help but wonder, would I be the one to unravel this enigma, or would I become just another whisper in the wind?